What's up guys, it's Electrify here and welcome to a brand new video. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like and share with your friends, and this video is gonna be shortcut tutorial episode number 2. So let's get started. So guys, in this scene I need to flip this video like a mirror. First you have to find the place where you wanna add it and then split it by pressing letter S in your keyboard. And go to filters, click the plus icon in and search mirror. Then click the first result to enable it. You guys can see here the difference. That shape, it's going to the right side. In this case, you can see the brightness is way too bright, so I need to change that. Find the part, press S to split, then go to the filters, click the plus button to add a filter. Go to the very bottom and click on the white balance to enable it, and change color temperature to change the warm and cold color. I need it to be too cold like this. I need the same thing right here in this scene too, so I'm gonna add the same filter. So guys, I think this is the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you guys at the next video.